Emergency preparation tips for typhoons. Almost all countries near major ocean bodies are plagued occasionally by the occurrence of typhoons. In the Pacific, the weather disturbance is widely called typhoon. It is cyclone in the Indian Ocean, and in the United States, where most often it comes from the Atlantic, it is called hurricane. A typhoon is a massive accumulation of destructive winds and torrential rains over a huge body of water, particularly ocean. The accumulation is facilitated by an area characterized by the presence of a low pressure, which makes evaporation and wind development faster. Typhoons do not develop overnight. Often, it takes about a few days before one is developed. Usually, typhoons start as thunderstorms that accumulate strength and intensify into a massive weather disturbance. Typhoons are easily tracked and monitored by weather satellites because of their huge radius and accumulated cloud system. Thus, weather bureaus are always able to track a development of one, making it possible for concerned government and safety bodies to release typhoon warnings for the safety of people who might be affected by the weather onset. A typhoon is an almost predictable calamity. Almost, because its tracks can easily change, but certain, because its presence is easily monitored. Preparing for a typhoon. Countries that are always visited by typhoons have instituted safety measures to prepare people for the destructive weather occurrence and to help curb, if not totally prevent, injuries and casualties. When a typhoon is about to hit an area, typhoon warnings should already be released, at least 24 to 48 hours before the expected landfall of the weather disturbance. Thus, people, whose residences are within the warning areas, should first and foremost make the necessary safety precautions. Here are some of them.